Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Haram Collection. Guys, I hope you all are right and enjoying your happy life. I thanks Allah because He blessed in my life. So guys, I have some ideas about beautiful stylish plazo and different color plated stylish, very beautiful and belt style, different fabric. You can easily carry these stylish plazo in different skirts, outfits, very beautiful and casual dresses, party wearing and different occasions. Plated style is so stylish and fitting is so nice. Back fitting and full flare, frilly touch, very beautiful. And you feel like a lehenga. Very nice combinations. I hope guys you like my ideas about beautiful and stylish plazos decorated with different laces, styles, pant styles. Net fabric is so stylish. Please watch and then subscribe it. Allah Hafiz.